All right, example number 10. Given the area of a rectangle is 36 centimeters squared, what are the dimensions of the rectangle? So we're going to start off looking at this rectangle. The length of this is x. The width is represented by x minus 5. We know that area of a rectangle is length times width. So given this rectangle, fairly straightforward. We know our area of this rectangle is 36, so I'm going to substitute that in for area. My length would be x, my width would be an x minus 5. So now what I've created is I've created a quadratic equation where we obviously need to solve for x. We want to find these dimensions. Okay, so in order to solve for x, you need to expand this through, write the equation in standard form, make it equal to 0, and go from there. So I'm going to expand x through my brackets to get x squared minus a 5x. I'm now going to make my equation equal to 0 by bringing 36 to the other side of the equation. That's going to become a 36. And now to solve for x, I want to factor this. And my factors would be an x minus 9 and an x plus 4. From here, my solutions would be x equals 9 and a negative 4. But because x represents a length, which is like a distance, we can't have a negative distance. That doesn't exist in our world, so I'm going to cross out that answer. That doesn't make sense in terms of the question. So the length of my rectangle would be 9 centimeters. The width, by substituting 9 in for x here, 9 minus 5, would leave me with 4 centimeters. And these would be the dimensions of the rectangle.